Today, I'm going to show you a great way to stretch these sacred morels. We're going to make wild mushroom po' boys. When you get the morels home, slice them in half and then place them in lightly salted water for about 20 minutes. Spread the mushrooms by dredging them in flour, buttermilk, and flour. Place the morels on a baking sheet or a casserole dish and refrigerate for about 15 minutes. This will help the batter stick to the shrooms. While the mushrooms are resting, let's make green onion mayonnaise. Start with 1 cup of green onions into the food processor. Add the juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire, a teaspoon of salt, and pepper. We're going to add 2 egg yolks, put the lid on the food processor, and crank it up. With the motor running, I'm going to add 1 cup of olive oil. Split a loaf of French bread in half lengthwise and smear it liberally with green onion mayonnaise. Fry the morels in 350-degree oil that's at least 3 inches deep. When the morels float and turn golden brown, remove them from the hot oil and drain on paper towels. Load the morels onto the bread. Doesn't that look awesome? This is my fried Morel Po Boy. I'm Peter Harmon, the Food Guru, and this has been another Food Guru Moment.